Welcome to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We're very pleased to be with you regularly to offer online cooking demonstrations and home garden tips. Hi, I'm Danielle Cook. Well, it's the middle of summer and the beans just keep on coming. Today, we're going to make them into a side dish with a little olive and some dill, perfect for a hot summer night. And then we'll pay a visit to the other cook sister, Adrienne, whose devotion to beans is unparalleled. But let's get cooking. I have 3 kinds of beans for today's dish. There's the light, flat Italian beans, the regular filet beans, and the purple beans from my garden. I'll remove the tip that was attached to the vine and leave the tail on. Drop the beans into boiling water, and depending on their size, they'll need about 5 minutes to cook. Unfortunately, the purple beans will lose their beautiful color because of the hot water. Check the beans after 3 or 4 minutes and taste one. They should be a little firm to the bite. Drain them, rinse them under cold water, and let them sit to cool down. Next, cut them into 1-inch pieces. This dish is really pretty with a variety of green beans. It's inspired me to grow yellow beans next summer. Olives pair really well with beans, and today I'm using both green and black. A generous handful of fresh dill will add a bright, cheery note to our dish. Other fresh herbs you could use instead would include parsley, tarragon, or cilantro. I've got loads of chives in the garden right now, so let's add some. To make the dressing, we'll combine some fresh chopped shallots and garlic and Dijon mustard. I'll add 1 tablespoon of sherry vinegar and 2 tablespoons of a good olive oil. Whisk your dressing until it's well emulsified. The mustard acts as a binder to create a thick dressing. And now let's toss it all together. First the green beans, then the olives, and the final pop of fresh herbs. Some fresh ground pepper, or if you like, some red hot pepper flakes will finish things off nicely. This makes a great side dish for grilled chicken or grilled salmon or a platter of grilled vegetables. And now, let's see how Adrienne's bean adventures are coming along.
One way to save space on beans is to grow them up. Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden.
Climbing beans are the oldest of the beans. They're known as pole beans. Like Jack and the Beanstalk, they aim for the sky. Young plants need support right from the outset. For that, I provided a hoop cage to get these started off in the right direction. Pole beans come in the same range of varieties as their cousins, the bush beans. Danielle is harvesting these beautiful flat Italian beans on her climbing plants. I've got a golden variety called Sunshine. Truly the backbone of the summer garden, beans can be counted on to keep producing well into fall.
Thanks for joining me today. Next week, we're going to be looking at a whole cornucopia of summer vegetables, and I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks about bugs. What's eating my tomatoes? We'll see you then.